when we're thinking about things that are uh, essential to the music elements, one of those is dynamics and the way that we sing either softer or louder, we crescendo, we decrescendo, and the conductor has the responsibility in the macro preparation to dig all of that stuff out and decide what's going to happen on the inside of the music internally. That's going to make little things happen that make the whole big thing of interest. And then on the microcosm, we do things within the flow of the music to make that happen. One of those very simple things is that obviously, if we want small sound, we're going to give a very small uh, uh, beat pattern. So 1, 2, when I survey the. Whereas as we make a bigger pattern, we imply a different set of volumes, so that if we really do a big pattern, which should never be uh, our norm, our pattern should dictate what we want to see. I have known conductors and choir conductors who have successful choirs, but they pretty much don't have dynamics. And we want to make sure that as a conductor, you're showing those dynamics. So first thing we're going to do is just get comfortable with that. So just simply, when I survey the wondrous cross, or I can go a little bit bigger, when I survey. Okay, so that's one option. Another option is to kind of grow the music. And we do that by simply slowly building our sides of our pattern. And then another thing that we can do is kind of lift that left hand in an upward fashion. That's more when we really want more, a lot more. Mostly we can just kind of grow by going, when I survey the wondrous cross, which the King. Okay. Another one is just to go all the way from soft to loud. When I da pya tya ta ta tyam ta di ta, and ending there. Going from big down to soft, and then soft up to big, and then gradations. Bum, off, bomb, off, bomb, off, even louder, bomb, off, and showing with your hand in the emphasis what emphasis you want to place on that piece of music. So I'm going to ask you to just put your phone over there and turn it on, and I'm going to just walk you through some of those. I'm going to sing just that passage. We'll start with When I Survey the Wondrous Cross, and we're going to do that a variety of different ways. I want you to just record yourself doing this with me. First, we're going to do crescendo through the cross. When I survey the wondrous cross on which the Prince of Glory died, and decrescendo. Okay, we're going to start piano, crescendo to mezzo forte, and decrescendo to piano. 2, 3. When I survey the wondrous cross on which the Prince of Glory died. And again, as with all the other things that we're learning, preparation dictates what's going to follow. The preparation that you give, if you give a little bit of a lift with your hand like that, then you're going to expect a small sound. If you give the bigger hand motion you give, the more you're going to get. That is related to tempo. If I give you a slow hand motion, that's going to be a slow tempo going on. If I give a fast one, that's going to be a fast tempo. That's just the preparation that we go through. This time we're going to go from double piano or pianissimo to double forte over the course of that When I Survey the Wondrous Cross. So we're going to continually grow in our gesture. 1, 2, 2, 3. When I survey the wondrous cross on which the Prince of Glory died. Okay, so you're still videotaping, still watching with me. We're going to do, I'm just going to do a ta, and I'm going to do that ta at the different varieties. So here's an example. Go ahead and pause your recording for a second. No, you can't do that, can you? Stop it and send that one, and then we'll start the next one. What we're going to do is, so I'm going to give you, like, for example, I'm going to go ta. 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 Okay? So you don't have to, let's do those three. We're going to do them in that order. Loud, soft, mezzo forte, medium loud. Okay? So start your recording. Here's forte. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Ta off. Okay? Then we're going to do pianissimo, which is soft. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta off. Okay? This time is mezzo forte, which is kind of halfway between the two. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta. Very good. Okay? So that's just different dynamics that we do. And when we read our music and we see those dynamics in there as part of our preparation process, we're already prepared for what we're going to be doing with that. So send me those recordings and we'll be great.